So you want to start a dog treat business? You're in the right place. First things first, I want to applaud you for taking the first step in doing the research on how to start a dog bakery business. If you're just starting the research process or have been searching for information for a while now, you're probably feeling a little bit overwhelmed, confused, and maybe even thinking this might not be for you. The reason why you might be feeling this way is because with a pet treat business, there are those extra steps on top of the business, legal, accounting, and all the to-dos in your to-do list. This is where information from the internet, Reddit, YouTube, or wherever starts to get cloudy, confusing, and overwhelming. If it's your dream to have your own dog bakery business, and if it's a full whole body yes, it's meant for you and I can help you get there. Hi, I'm Minyoung and I help dog treat entrepreneurs create their products, launch their business, and scale to 4 to 5 figure months. If you're interested in a freebie dog bakery business workbook to help you get started, the link is in the description box below. I'm also having a Black Friday promo special, so be on the lookout for that as well. If you're feeling any resistance right now, I want to just tell you it's completely normal. This resistance stems from fear, and it's your mind and body telling you, no, don't do that, stay over there. It's your body's and brain's way of keeping you safe. So fear is what keeps people stuck and holds them back, and everyone feels this at some point in their business journey, me included. No one is born knowing how to start and sustain a business, even though it may seem that way from business owners on social media. They might make it look easy, but I assure you not. They have the same fears, made the same mistakes, and are going through it in their own mind as well. I remember I had all the same fears. What if I fail? What if I make a mistake? This is going to cost so much money. I don't have a social media following. How am I going to do it as a solo entrepreneur? The way I was able to overcome it was by educating myself, taking action, and moving myself forward. Was it easy? Not always, but it was my passion and dream that motivated me to take that step forward. Building a business is a brick by brick process. You educate yourself, take action, move yourself forward, and do it over and over again until you reach the finish line. It's so important to build a solid foundation from the start and not skip the extra steps if we want to build a legitimate pet treat business, because we want to be successful, right? In the end, I want to tell you it all paid off, and I was able to leave a job I absolutely hated and finally got to do something I really loved and was excited to wake up in the morning every single day to do what I do. I often think about what my life would have been like if I let my fears held me back, and I would still be miserable in that cubicle in front of a computer in that awful office lighting and just looking forward to retirement. I mean, how depressing does that sound, or would that have been? You might be thinking, well, it's easy for you to say, Minyoung. You probably have a business background. I want to just clear the air. Nope, I did not. I want you to know right now, if I can do it, you can do it. I'm not anyone special. I didn't have business experience. And I came from a fashion design background, which is so different from the pet industry. I totally thought, who's gonna take me seriously? I was a girl in the fashion industry, and I had no credibility in starting a business like this. So I'm telling you, if I can do it, you can do it too. I hope this is motivating you to go after your dreams. So here are other ways we can connect. If you prefer learning through audio, I have a private podcast. You can also join my free private Facebook community. And lastly, if you're interested in working with me, I offer a 3-step framework inside Dog Bakery Academy. The entire process is broken down into 3 full courses to help you create products, launch, and scale a dog bakery business. I'll include all the links in the description box below. Thank you so much for being here, and I'm so excited for you to launch your dog bakery business. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!